Linux, like any other operating system, has constantly been growing since it was first released in 1991. It was made known by its very in-depth and developer-based distributions such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and Arch. But with the rise of numerous desktop environments and distros, the Linux operating system has become useful and familiar even to casual users today. Hi, I'm Yujin Del Fuente, and these are my groupmates, Jerwhin Aisak P. Valentin, Mario Leoligao, and Mac Kennedy Gomez. And we are here to talk about the popular Ubuntu-based Linux distribution, Pop! OS.
Pop! OS is a free and open-source Linux distribution based upon Ubuntu and featuring a customized GNOME desktop environment known as Cosmic. The distribution is developed by American Linux computer manufacturer System76. It was primarily built to be bundled with the computers built by System76, but can also be downloaded and installed on most computers. Its main goal is to deliver an operating system for STEM and creative professionals like artists, scientists, engineers, and developers who use their computer as a tool to discover and innovate. Pop! OS is maintained primarily by System76 with the release version's source code hosted in a GitHub repository. Unlike many other Linux distributions, it is not community-driven, although outside programmers can contribute, view, and modify the source code. They can also build custom ISO images and redistribute them under another name.
How to install Pop! OS on VM? First, go to System76 official site and click download. Depending on your system or device, you can opt to download the ISO that has NVIDIA graphics driver pre-installed, the 32-bit Raspberry Pi, or just download the 64-bit default latest release. To run a virtual machine on a computer, we need a software called Hypervisor. Go to the official site of Oracle VirtualBox at www.virtualbox.org. Click on download and choose the appropriate executable file suited for your host operating system. Run the downloaded setup file and complete the installation process. After the ISO image is completely downloaded and we have completed the installation of Hypervisor, we can now create a virtual machine for Pop! OS. The next step after completing the setup of virtual machine is to click on Start, and ISO image should now flash on it and display the live boot of Pop! OS. The live boot gave us a preview of Pop! OS by letting us experience a demo of operating system. User can check for compatibility issues, sounds, display, and graphics before deciding on a full installation. Now that we know how to install Pop! OS on a virtual machine, let us talk about the reason why Pop! OS is such a great Linux distribution.
Number 1. Productivity. Pop! OS was designed for fast navigation, easy workspace organization, and fluid convenient workflow. From the 21.04 release, Pop! OS included a new customized GNOME desktop environment called Cosmic, an acronym for Computer Operating System Main Interface Components, developed by System76. It features separate views for workspace and application, a dock included by default, and supports both mouse-driven and keyboard-driven workflows. Number 2. Software. Develop software out of the box with a vast array of libraries and tools at your disposal. Pop! OS uses apt and Flatpak package management, meaning it's easy to install, remove, and update all software on the OS. Number 3. Gaming. Pop! OS provides full out-of-the-box support for both AMD and NVIDIA's GPUs. It is regarded as an easy distribution to set up for gaming, mainly due to its built-in GPU support.
Therefore, Pop! OS is a very good Linux distribution if you are a developer, artist, or engineer that might consider a fluid and convenient operating system while also having the perks of easy access to gaming and other important software. With all that being said, we hope that it helped you decide on what Linux distribution you might consider using. Again, I'm Yujin and Fuente, and these are my team, Jerwhin, Aisak, Valentin, Leoligao, and Mark Kennedy Gomez. Thank you for watching.